Now that's Sophie.
Yeah, the long-haired one that looks like Maya.
She's getting along with everybody.
Yeah, she's a nice dog.
Mello over here is having some problems.
She spooks. It's crazy.
Social distance. So this is her first day in the pool kennel. And we'll see how she does in a couple more days. She'll figure out that this is a fun place.